Welcome to Mediplus IV Connectors. Mediplus high-performance IV connectors are designed for optimal drug delivery with minimal connections to enhance patient safety. Non-return valves are an integral part of each port, reducing the risk of over- or underdosing during infusion. The high-flow anti-reflux valve enables fast flow rates for rapid IV fluid delivery whilst preventing backflow to the IV line. The J-loop design prevents kinking of the tubing to ensure unimpeded flow, and the removable bridge helps maintain a compact position. Mediplus has a specialist range of IV connectors to meet different clinical needs. If you would like to know more, contact us at mediplusuk.com.